3. Good afternoon. What can I help you with?
Good afternoon. I want to check my teeth. Is doctor available?
Have you made an appointment for him?
I haven't made an appointment yet, ma'am.
Alright, so for a question with Dr. Grace needs to make appointment, ma'am, Dr. Grace versus this clinic only from Thursday or Saturday from 16 until 19.
I see. Can I make an appointment with Dr. Grace for next Tuesday?
Yes, ma'am, I have you make appointment for a check-up Thursday at 4 o'clock. Is there no problem?
No problem, ma'am. Do I need to bring anything?
During the consultant schedule, you only need to bring your BPJS card. May I have your name and age for registration?
My name is Maida, 23 years old.
Alright, thank you, ma'am. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, ma'am. Thank you for your help.
Thank you.